Welcome to Project Wrong Way. It's 104 degrees outside. Excuse me, 106 degrees. Rachel's been bugging me about getting out here and filming, so I
have not.
I know. Today, we got a shipment from Toyota Matt of a bunch of sweet parts. My new sponsor, Vintage Tech. Also want to give a shout out to Alex. Sent me this super badass shirt. Yeah, pretty neat. You might know Alex. Oh, sorry. I didn't know you were creeping. You might know Alex from the Toyota. Fresh oil. These are pretty cool. He sells them. Link below. I'm going to add that, obviously. Today we're going to do a little bit of wiring. Get the coil wired up. Yeah, we're going to make some magic. A lot of parts that Toyota Matt sent me are going to come in handy today, so. Yeah. Do you have any questions for me, honey? She's wearing a dress. She looks cute. Her hair's up. She got Converse All-Stars on. Like a little summer dress.
I wish I was dead.
It's real loose on her body. I need to repent a little bit. Apparently I don't know how to stab a distributor correctly. I removed the little cap. Stay right there.
A little cap?
Yeah, there's a little, I'll film it too, I'll get it closer. There's a little cover, this is the cover. Mm-hmm. That protects.
You removed that from the engine block?
Yeah, from the flywheel. It's right back there.
Okay.
I removed that with Ryan Apple's help, and we adjusted the engine to where it was at that spot on the flywheel at top dead center. Then we stabbed the distributor to where it was pointed at the numero uno cylinder. So, back up. For those of you who thought I did a shitty job on that, you're 100% right. But I also feel like I need to mention the name of the show.
Yeah.
It's Project Wrong Way. And I'm more than likely going to do things. I have been, but I'm leading people astray there because I'm still stupid. For anybody's concerned, the distributor is properly stabbed.
Ryan helped you to stab it.
Ryan Apple helped me. Also, I removed the gasket because you're right. I don't need that little paper gasket in there because there's a little rubber grommet around the edge. Dave Verheyen.
You shouldn't have his address on there.
I just flipped it real quick. He's from Birmingham, Alabama.
What?
Yeah, no big deal. That's where Forrest Gump's from.
Is it? I haven't seen that in a long time.
Forrest Gump's from Greenboro, Alabama. And he is a real person.
I haven't seen that movie in like 20 years. I don't remember that.
My homeboy there, he sent me something called a Fusible Link. Get a load of that. So that's the first thing we're going to do today is connect the Fusible Link. So here's the old adapter for my old Fusible Link. And I was really hung up on getting the Toyota specific piece for that. Turns out, that's not totally necessary. So first thing we're going to do is some permanent stuff, and that's cut the wire. All right. We'll save this because I've saved every little piece, even though I don't need this anymore. I just got a problem with that. These are my super sweet wire strippers, made by Klein Tools. Not a sponsor.
Those look like mean.
Yeah, it's like little chompers.
It's like monster teeth.
Hi, Rachel. Why don't you take your bra off?
I'm gonna kick you.
So I'm going to strip a little bit of material off of this guy. Boom. That's so much better. And then I remember using this little doohickey the last time. And do you remember that last time?
Freddy's digging another hole.
Stupid dog. So I just squeeze this
Spread
on.
it on.
Yeah, and now I'm going to spread out the copper. Oh no, last time I used a little pointy object to do that. Oh, that's nearly impossible.
It's pretty tight fit.
Yeah. So there, I've moved all the wires to the sides. I will now connect the rear main seal. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to undo that. Shit. Hold on. Sorry. Is it a 15? It's a 15. The rear main seal is gonna twist when I'm screwing that piece back on, so I need it to be free. There we go. It's getting a little warm.
Yeah.
By what? What bug would be out right now?
Mosquito.
Are you recording? Because that camera's just like flopping around and pointing at the ground.
Sorry.
That's okay. I don't blame you, honey. Your heart's not in it.
No, this would be a lay there situation.
You guys familiar with that? A lay there situation.
They're just humoring you.
That's where your partner's not as enthusiastic about you are with whatever incident you're doing. So yeah, Dave, he hit me up and said, hey man, I made a bunch of fusible links for a project. I didn't use any of them. Like, do you want them? Or do you want
Yes.
one?
Yes, I do.
And I was like, yeah, I do. So you want that? Insanely tight, like I just did.
Mostly just get on.
Boom. Fusible link. I have other accessories that I'm going to be adding. I don't necessarily need to tighten this up an aggressive amount, but...
No, just hit the stop recording button on accident.
Oh man, it's upside down now. Dang
I'm
it.
still struggling to get anything other than just your big arm in the way.
There we go. Now it's on there. So now that's attached. Thank you, Dave. This type of headgear was made possible by one Craig Barnes. He bought it for me. Also, this type of headgear gained in popularity by Clyde the Glide Drexler. A little bit of history for you guys.
Who's that?
Clyde the Glide Drexler was a Portland Trailblazer superstar.
So basketball player?
Yep. Now we're gonna do the coil. I'm gonna do the same metal stripping technique. Boy, isn't wiring fun? I'm gonna do like that much. Pow. Okay. I might need to do a little bit more, so I'm going to. I don't base that off of any prior knowledge whatsoever.
Just going with the gut feeling there?
That one might have wrecked it. That's okay. I will now get Toyota Matt swag. Hold on. Toyota Matt has connectors like this, you guys. And I know what you're thinking. Back up. Ben, what do you need that connector for? Simple. This is my old coil wire. This is the new coil wire. Boom.
Your whole freaking hand was in the way for that
Well,
whole insertion.
Full.
Move your hand during insertion.
I have to have my hand in there.
You shouldn't
It's not
need your
held up
hand
by
to
the
guide
air.
things.
Let's put this thing on here. This is a rubber grommet. It's like a seal.
The hole's too small for the wire?
Yeah, actually that's exactly what's happening here. Twist it around a little bit. There we go, okay. Maybe I could just drill this out.
Looks like you got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Tell us mostly your hands.
I got it past the copper, but I can't get it past the rubber.
Is it supposed to go past the rubber?
I'm not gonna be able to use that little rubber grommet part. So that's just how it's gonna
That'll
be.
be the one that everyone says you need though.
Yep, I know it. I know it is. Okay, so I need to.
Just stop.
So these crimpers are not necessarily for this application, but I don't have any others. So if I take, jeez, wow, that's actually pretty convenient.
Landed on it.
Hey guys, if you're working on a truck, leave your creeper underneath. When things fall, it'll fall on the creeper and you just simply pull it to you. Okay, so, boy, is it hot enough for this maneuver or what? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Might notice that these are not, shit. Okay.
Probably don't want to crimp that topper.
Well, I want to crimp it to keep it that was cool.
Stop wiggling.
It's not that impressive what I just did, but I did ultimately.
It's not impressive? What are you talking about?
Well,
Super impressive.
ha! Slip that on. And coil wires connected.
So you got your fusible link done and your coil wire.
Fusible link done. Coil wire done. Distributor stabbed.
What's next?
And then the distributor
Connects down there.
okay. Starter, coil, distributor, fusible link, alternator. That's
Does that mean you can turn it on and it actually goes?
no, because I have to still do the sniper.
What's the sniper again?
That's the fuel injection.
Okay.
How easy was it to wire up that coil just now?
It's easy when you got the right tools, or the right parts.
Oh, we can put in this. You can just show this, but I added the heater valve.
Oh, you fixed that?
Yeah, I put that in. And I'm just about ready to start with the sniper installation, but I want to do it all in one, not all in one episode, but. So we did the floors. I've done a couple episodes now. I also painted the top of the toolbox in the PR15 gray. I've got the rubber grommets protecting it. And the seat brackets, I've got those loosely installed. So I'll wait until I have the seats ready for that part. So thanks again to Vintage Tech Parts, Toyota Matt, and Ryan. We've got things wired up to the point where we're ready to install the sniper. So that's what's gonna happen next for the engine. Now, yeah, for the engine. So again, please like, share, and subscribe. We're trying to get to 20,000 subscribers for the end of this month. It's the 31st, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks you guys for watching.